What's up, guys? Welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, my name is Natalia, also known as Chef Rudakova, and today we'll be making a crème brûlée. But not ordinary crème brûlée. Who wants that? We're gonna be making a savory Parmigiana crème brûlée.
The main difference in making a classical sweet crème brûlée and our savory Parmesan crème brûlée is, you guessed it right, it's sugar. So for this recipe we're going to omit the usage of any sugar at all, and instead we're going to flavor our crème brûlée with a little bit of Parmesan. So first things first, you want to grate your Parmigiana on a rasp or a small grater. The smaller pieces you have, the more flavor we can extract in a shorter period of time. Next, mix your grated Parmesan with a heavy 35% cream and gently simmer it for about 5 minutes. During this time, enough flavor will be infused inside the cream. You might as well add a little bit of nutmeg, if you're a fan as I am. Afterwards, strain your cream through a sieve with a layer of cheesecloth and cool it down a little bit. By the way, don't throw away your grated Parmesan cheese, leave it for other dishes. And now we're going to make our crème brûlée base using the traditional method, less sugar of course, as we've discussed at the beginning of this video. So first things, we are going to whisk our egg yolks and slowly add the infused cream. If cream is still too hot, you might want to temper it first and then mix everything together. Then you want to transfer the mixture into ramekins and cover them with a piece of foil. Let's face it, plastic was not the best idea. And don't forget to punch a few holes on top of your foil. When it comes to cooking our crème brûlée, boil some water, prepare a bain-marie or water bath, put the ramekins inside and bake them in the oven for about half an hour to 35 minutes. Once the crème brûlée is fully cooked through, cool it down at room temperature for about 1 hour. And while the crème brûlée is cooling down, we can do the best part of the crème brûlée, which is the sugary top. And for this as well, we're not going to use any sugar, we're going to use isomalt instead, which is, some may call, a savory version of the sweet sugar. So first thing you want to do, you want to melt your isomalt. Once it's melted, add a little bit of onion powder and cool it down. This should take about 5 minutes. Once the isomalt is fully solid, you want to break it down in the food processor to powder. It's not sticky, so don't worry about that. And then you do what you usually do with crème brûlée. You do some torch action. And voila, our savory Parmigiana crème brûlée is ready. Enjoy, share it with your friends, and let me know if it's better than the sweet version.
And that's it for today, guys. I hope you've enjoyed this video. And just like that, you can flavor your crème brûlée with any other savory flavorings. And if you have some ideas, do share them in the comments below. And like this video and subscribe to my channel if you haven't done it already. And I'll see you in the next video.